there are 8 boys and 14 girls. An equal number of sweets were given to each child. When the girls gave 2/3 of their sweets to the boys had 266 more sweets than the girls. How many sweets did the girls give to the boys? Okay, now to do this question, we have to assign units to represent the number of sweets that each child received. Okay, so for the boys and for the girls, since there are 8 boys, 14 girls respectively, this means that we can let 1 unit of sweets be given to each child, right? Since they are equal, all of them will get 1 unit each, and since again there are 8 boys, 14 girls, in total there will be 8 units of sweets for the boys, and for the girls 14 units of sweets for them. Alright, now this is the before case. Now and then the girls, for some reason that I'm not sure of, maybe they were celebrating someone's birthday or something, they decide to give 2/3 of their sweets to the boys. So what is 2/3 of 14 units? 2/3 of 14 units. This is being given away to the boys. Now, in mathematics, the word of gets replaced with times. So 2/3 times 14 units. 2/3 times 14 units. That is actually 9 whole and 1/3 units of sweets that has been given to the boys. So 9 whole and 1/3. So for the girls, we take away 9 whole and 1/3 units from them. We add it for the boys. And this will represent the change. And in the after scenario, the girls, right, they will be left with a certain number of units in total. Okay, so 14 U minus 9 whole and 1/3 unit. 4 wholes and 2/3 U. 4 wholes and 2/3 units. And for the boys, they got lucky because they received some sweets. Okay, 8 units plus 9 whole and 1/3 units. 17 and 1/3 units of sweets altogether for the boys. 17 1/3 units, and this represents the after case. Now they have also said the boys in the end had 266 more sweets than the girls. So basically the difference between this and this, what is that? 17 1/3 U minus 4 whole 2/3 U. 12 and 2/3 units. So my friends, 12 and 2/3 units will represent the difference, right? Which is given as 266. 266. And 1 unit will be 266 divided by 12 whole 2/3. Okay, you can use a calculator because this is a problem sums. 21. So 1 unit of sweets is basically representing 21 sweets. Okay, and the question is, how many sweets did the girls give to the boys? The girls gave away 9 whole and 1/3 sweets. 9 whole and 1/3 units of sweets. 9 whole 1/3 units will be 21 multiplied by 9 whole 1/3. Which will give us a final answer of 196 sweets that were given to the boys.